I'm going to show you how to write a last call email in this video. Last call email is more or less the same as reminder email, but in a more urgent tone. In the last call email, you will need to remind them that the product launch is still ongoing, but it's going to end soon. You must be able to create a sense of urgency in this email. Start from the subject line. As you can see here, the subject line is "One last chance to download this list building PLR." It already creates a sense where this would be the only chance for them to grab this product before it was too late. For content-wise, you must remind them how important it is for them to grab this chance. To remind them the what's in it for them, restate the benefits that they will be able to get after they buy this product. As you can see here above the link, the word I used here is hurry up. You have 24 hours left to get this. And yes, remember to include the link in the email. When they feel the urgency in this email, chances are higher where they will click on the link. And that is all there is to it. End your email with your signature. Thanks for watching.